Okay. Check. Perfect. Hello everyone, Elrigu Namaskara and welcome to my Indian market live stream. So that time is around 12:10 p.m. and date is of 24th September. Okay. So on 24th of September, what Nifty and Bank Nifty will do until we'll do a quick analysis. So one second guys. Okay. So on 24th of September, what Nifty and Bank Nifty will do a quick analysis. But adrikina modalu ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ Bank Nifty and Nifty, they are forming lower low formation and heavy ಬಂದು fall ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ market neck. And if you see from market opening point somewhere from here to here, Bank Nifty has fallen around 429 points, which is a huge fall. Next level fall kottadu. If you see it over here, so Bank Nifty fall agide around 389 points, 380 points, and Nifty fall agirodu around 90 points. Okay, and India VIX is also very less, 10.65 ada illi. So there might be a huge upside or downside momentum. India VIX kammi adaglunu this kind of affects the volatility index. Okay, so India VIX yavaglu one range nage irbeku, which is around 13 to 14 ila 13 to 17 range nage iddantandre this is fine. But right now India VIX is very less, so this will kind of create a panic scenario in market. Okay, so let's see in upcoming days na market one heavy crash kodutado athwa ಏನು heavy upside momentum ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But India VIX less ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, this is worried scenario. If India VIX is also increasing, even then this is a worried scenario. The best range is 13 to 17 or 13 to 19 ಅಷ್ಟಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ this will be fine. Okay, so market ಒಂದು range ನಾಗ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. If this is less or more, then this is a worried scenario. Okay, so let's see how market will react to this ante. So even ನೀವು ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ again it is formed a huge lower low pattern or huge one fall ಕೊಟ್ಟದಿಲ್ಲಿ. So let's see ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ how exactly the market will behave ante. Okay, so we'll just start a quick top down analysis in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು just cross check whether audio and video are perfect or not ante. Okay, Shashivardhan bro is live. Hello bro, a very good afternoon. One second guys, I'll just cross check the audio and video. So we'll just start a quick top down analysis in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that we'll just cross check whether audio and video are perfect or not. Okay, so everything is perfect, I feel. So without wasting much time, let's get into the analysis. Okay, so left side here, this is Bank Nifty chart. I'll just make bigger. Bank Nifty chart idu doddadu ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I'll just go to 4-hour time frame. What 4-hour time frame is trying to tell us in Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so I'll just remove all these things ella ತಗೊಂಡು I'll just remove drawings. Okay, so okay, I just removed all the drawings. We'll do a fresh quick analysis. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, this is 4-hour time frame in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is 4-hour time frame. If I mark a trend line over here, illon trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು, or else I'll just mark a channel over here. Okay, so illon channel ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, market is moving in a proper channel. But let's see, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ it has engulfed ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ನ engulf ಮಾಡೋದು. What I mean is, market somewhere open ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ, it went till this upper channel also, and again it came till this lower channel also. Okay, so market is entirely covering this channel. So as of now market is bearish. So the channel ne proper momentum kodlatili. If I go to 5 minutes time frame, this channel will make sense to you. Okay, so top level it touch agi, again it came till lower channel as well. So this clearly shows that market next sellers are strong. Okay, sellers are strong and market is forming slowly lower low pattern over here. Okay, so this is 5 minutes time frame. Just nimgondu ee level el touch agade anta heli ತೋರಿಸಲಕ I just came to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's go to 4-hour time frame itself. In 4-hour time frames, if you see, this is a channel over here. Okay, again you can mark from the bottom, illinda mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. This will be another channel, another trend line over here. Okay, so I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ this is very much clear. I just marked one channel and one trend line, nothing. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. I hope these points are very much clear and simple. Okay, so this is what is in 4-hour time frames in Nifty. And if I go to 1-hour time frame in Bank Nifty, and if I go to 1-hour time frame in Bank Nifty, this chart looks still more simplified. Okay, so when I say simplified, so this is clearly forming lower low pattern. So on 4-hour time frame you couldn't have seen this clear picture in 4-hour time frame. when you come to 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see market is forming lower low pattern over here. Okay, so illond fake breakout kodtu, again it is falling down. Now this can act as a strong support level, in the market can bounce back and reach till upper level. Okay, so this is what is in 1 hour time frame in bank nifty. Okay, I hope till this also points are very much clear. In case ಏನನ್ನ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, just go back 2 minutes or 3 minutes and then rewind and start observing the videos, so that ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು clarity ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ what I'm exactly trying to explain ante. Okay, as of now I haven't marked any resistance or support level over here, which is not required as of now. We'll go to 15 minutes time frame and then we will mark important resistance and support level. Okay, so I'll go to 15 minutes time frame and then let's see what exactly is happening in market ante. Okay, so if I go to 15 minutes time frame alla, same thing chart il solpa zoom in agide ankore. If I go to 1 hour time frame, this is kind of zoomed out chart. In 15 minutes it is giving you much more clarity when compared to 1 hour time frame. Okay, I hope my point is clear. So same again lower low formation aglatlu, market is forming lower low, you must be going only for downside trade. Okay, clearly lower low formation adai, so there is no complication in this chart. Okay, but this is acting as a very strong support because there is a rejection from lower channel as well, or there is support from this lower channel as well, and also there is a support from this lower trend line as well. So e trend line no support adu. So this is the reason there is a trend line from this support, sorry, there is support from this trend line as well. Okay, so this is the reason this is acting as a strong support. Anytime market can bounce back from this level. Okay, so let's see when it will bounce back, how it will bounce back, why it will bounce back anteli we will do in-depth analysis. This is just an overview what is exactly happening in larger time frame, and coming to shorter time frame, how should be our approach to the market anteli. Okay, so now coming to resistance and support levels, so I'll consider this as a very strong support level as of now. Okay, so I'll mark this as a support level, a very strong support level anta consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, because there are multiple reasons, because market ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ lower channel ನಿಂತು rejection ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಈ channel ನಿಂದ rejection ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, and there is also support over here. So this will act as a very strong support, and also this is around 55,100, which is a round figure level. So this can act as a very strong support. Okay, I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ points are very much clear. So let's go to a Nifty chart and do a same analysis in Nifty as well. So this is Bank Nifty chart, we'll do the same thing in Nifty as well. Okay, so let's go back to Nifty chart. So Nifty chart now, this is in 1 minute time frame. I'll just go to 4 hour time frame and let's see how Nifty chart will look in 4 hour time frame. Okay, so one second guys. So this is what is a 4 hour time frame in Nifty chart. Okay, so Nifty na I'll just remove all the drawings, yella drawing remove ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, so that it will be easy for you to understand from scratch what this person is trying to explain ante. Okay, so as of now ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, this is a pure 4 hour time frame with no markings, just on 50 moving average availi, and this is a 200 moving average. These are the two indicators I'm using right now. Okay, adu bitralla you can see a trend line from the top. Okay, so this is a trend line coming from the top. Is it connecting anywhere over here? Okay, you can connect it over here as well. So 4 hour time frame now you can connect this trend line which is coming from the top. Okay, so this is one thing, and adadmele ಕೆಳಗಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ಲತ್ತವನ್ನ, let's see, we can consider this trend line. Okay, if we consider this trend line, this is given a breakout, but let's not consider this trend line. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. Okay, because again already market breakout ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗನು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, it is trying to go up, so I don't think so this will be a valid trend line, but I'm trying to show you where all the trend lines can be marked. Okay, so again I can see a channel over here. So illon channel ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ, just try to mark this channel. Okay, so ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, even you can mark these channels very quickly within fraction of seconds. As soon as you see the market ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, okay, this I can mark it over here, this I cannot mark it over here ante. Okay, so as of now these things are important is what I feel, and ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮೇ ಇದು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಇದೆರಡೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಾಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟುಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಡೌನ್. Okay, I hope these points are very much clear. So if this is clear, give me a thumbs up so that I'll get to know ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is purely getting into your mind ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತು. Okay, so this is what is in 4 hour time frame in Nifty. Okay, if I go to 1 hour time frame, what it is trying to tell, again this is moving in a channel which is clearly forming lower low pattern over here. Okay, which is clearly again forming lower low pattern. So market in lower low pattern touch agi and lower channel touch agide illi, and now it can try to go till this upper channel. Okay, so I'll make this channel very much precise. So in ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕಿದು. So this is what it is. Okay, so this is what is in 1 hour time frame in Nifty chart. Okay, clearly market is in lower low trend as of now. Okay, and if I go to 15 minutes time frame, again same thing, chart is little bit zoomed in, similar story, it is forming lower low pattern over here. You must be going only for downside trades in this kind of market. Okay, because price action is clearly telling that, or trend is clearly telling that it is forming lower low pattern or it is in downtrend. So you must be going only for downside trades, not for upside trades. Okay, this will solve 50% of the problem. Okay, okay, so this 15 minutes aitala. So now let's see, I'll again mark the important support or resistance level over here. So illi which I can consider as an important support is this level. So I can consider this as an important support because multiple times support on the market is trying to go up. Okay, so market Nifty nodidre almost it is trying to go approach towards the today's high. So I can also consider this as a strong resistance level as of now. Okay, so this is today's high. So ill approach ಮಾಡಬಹುದು easily market, but let's see, this is today's high. Okay, so again dots just clean connect again nodri. I would have marked 50% level, day high and day low. So sadek, okay, I consider this as a level. Okay, let's keep that story aside. So this I can consider strong support level. Idu ಒಂದು resistance level ada illi, resistance level ada illi, and this is a day high level. Okay, so market has touched till this level for today's view on 24th of September. This is the high. Okay, and this is a low, exact low iradilli, but this is a liquidity grab and market ne support iradu. This is the zone right now. Okay, so these are the important zones in Nifty 50 as of 24th of September. Okay, I hope Ilitana points are very much clear. So just give me a thumbs up or anything so that I can understand that you are getting the points, and I'll go further. Next topic, see 1 minute scalping heng madbekanteli, we'll just move on. Okay, all are watching live, just give me a thumbs up. Now let's go to Banknifty and Nifty chart. Okay, so I'll keep both side by side and then we'll do a quick analysis, what should be the approach or what should be the plan of action in the market. Okay, okay, call option premium prices are booming over here. Nice. Okay, I hope ellarigi what I'm trying to tell is making sense. At least full ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೂ at least you are getting 10 to 15% of the things, then it is more than sufficient. Okay, not necessarily that everything should be understood, every concept should be understood. Okay, each and every day you will learn, day by day you will be improving yourself. Okay, that is what will matter. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳಿದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll go to 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute time frame in Banknifty. This is 1 minute time frame in Nifty. Okay, so what I did over is I marked an important support level, important resistance level, and day's high level. Same thing I'll mark in Banknifty as well. So this I can see as a strong resistance level, which is why I'm marking this as a strong resistance level. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, this is again today's high level. Market at this point in the ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. So this is the reason I'm marking this as considering this as the resistance level for 24th of September. That is valid for only today's level. Okay, so this I can see as strong resistance level because market took rejection from this level. That is the reason illi sellers are activated. So that is the reason I mark this as an important resistance level. Multiple times illinda buyers strong agi buyers are trying to take market up. That is the reason I consider this as a strong support level. Okay, simple. Same thing over here, market in the rejection bantu. That is the reason I'm considering this as a strong resistance level. Even now it is trying to take resistance at this level. So this indicates that at this level sellers are very much dominating. Okay, so illu dominate agalatta, they can take market down from this level itself. Okay, so let's see whether they'll take market down or they will give up and market will go up is our next question. Okay, so for this we'll find out a solution. Okay, I'm trying to keep things very much simple. So let's see what exactly market will offer us today. Okay. As of now, you must be going only for downside trade, not for upside trades. Okay, because my market price action is clearly simple. It is forming lower low pattern over here. Okay, even here it is lower low pattern. In the slow it is trying to form high rise, but still unless or until it crosses this level, I can't go for an upside trade. Okay, so let's wait and watch. As of now, there is no proper trade in market. We are done with our overview analysis or top down analysis, and we are clear that market net downside hogbekanteli, and we are waiting for a downside trade. But in Nifty, if it crosses this level, we will be planning for an upside trade as well. Okay, because from slowly lower low market ididdu, slowly it is trying to form higher rise. Okay, so this clearly shows that buyers are trying to dominate and they are trying to take market up. So this is what is the current scenario in market. So we'll wait. E level cross aitandi, we'll be planning for an upside trade, or else we'll just wait. Okay, as of now there is no proper trade available in the market. 1 second guys, I'll keep my laptop for charging. One second. Okay, perfect. So this is what is the current scenario in market. We'll just wait for a proper high probability trade. Okay, so let's see what kind of market is this today. Namge ivattana trade kodutada athwa this will still take our stop loss, or it doesn't give any trade anteli. We'll just wait and watch. Okay, so let me have a look at crypto market over here. Crypto market, I think it is booming. 1 second guys. Solana, Ethereum. Okay, Binance, I think we can get into a trade. We'll wait for 15 minutes candle to be closed, which is 2 more minutes. Shashivardhan bro, is sensible working for you? Sensible work agtidya? When you open sensible, right, just try to log in with angel broking account itself. Okay, so morning live ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ at least ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ I'm facing so difficulty to get up in the morning and come live. So ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರ್. I don't know what is the problem. ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2:30 3 ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ. So getting up early in the morning is a very difficult task for me. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Morning ಬಂದ್ರೆ this will give us a huge momentum and it will give us a proper high probability trade ಸಿಕ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. So let's see. ನಾಳೆ ಅಂತೂ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಲೈವ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಏನೇನು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಲೈವ್ ಅಟ್ 9:30 ಬಂದಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಲೈವ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ 10:30 11 o'clock ತನಕ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ that will give momentum on any side, any of the side market will move. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ itself. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆರ್ ಮಂಡೇ. ನಾಳೆ ಅಂತೂ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್. ಲೈವ್ ಬರೋದ್ನಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, because literally market is not at all giving a momentum, and if you are live at that particular time, so what will you try to explain to your audience? ಏನು explain ಮಾಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋರಲ್ಲ. so I'm planning some things, let's see how it goes. One second guys, I'll just refill my bottle and come. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so let's again proper market illi. If you see Nifty chart over here, exactly illi support tagondu, sorry, exactly illi resistance tagondu market is trying to come down. So let's see how market will sustain at this particular level, or ille ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ sideways ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, then easily will get into this trade for upside. Okay, so let's see how exactly market will behave ಅಂತೇಳಿ we'll observe. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So right side in on screen I'm looking at crypto market over here. Ethereum, Binance and Solana ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ perform ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. I'm just having a look. Let's see. Okay. I think I can get into Binance trade over here. Okay. Okay, so this is an important level as of now, an important level for the below. At the top level, this is important level. So let's see, 25,100 level is a psychological level again, and this is a very important level. Either level male or will be easily going for an upside trade. Okay, so let's see, market is trying to cross again. Option premium prices are also booming. So in the one small upside trade 6 will plan. Okay, let's see what exactly market will offer us ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ OI ಡೇಟಾ 25,109, I'll show you. Call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು 1.1 CR ಡೇಟಾ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫೈನ್. 25,100 ರೈ ಭಾಯ್ ಸಾಬ್, one second guys, 25,100 level is somewhere over here. So ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ or come down. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30 to 50 points very quickly. Okay, so we'll wait for this what exactly market will happen ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ this plan is clear. Okay, premium prices are also moving 140 141 momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಫೋಮೋನಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. Dixon Texel CP target of solar downside. Dixon to valuation brokers. Buying looks good. Arena personality. Okay, Dixon Tech. We'll look into it, brother. One second guys. So market might be sustaining this level. So ಇದು one level wait ಮಾಡೋದು ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, whether this will break out this level or ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ rejection ತಗೊಂಡು it will come down ಅಂತ. Okay, based on that I'll get into a trade over here. Arena personality. Bro, is this a call for me or are you asking me what is the overview? Okay, market is trying to take rejection from this level. Superb. Let's see 25,100 level. Let's have a look at multi-strike OI. Okay, multi-strike is trying to go up, it is trying to come down. Superb. So in this case there are huge chances that market might go up. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, market is trying to give breakout. I think we can get into a trade over here. I'll just keep everything ready. 25,150 call option 107. Okay, again rejection ತಗೊಳತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Let's wait because this can be huge trap. So 25,100 level naga call writers in the sense CE. One second, sorry. अरे भाई क्या चल रहा है? CE call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, call they have shorted in the sense they are trying to take market down. Call in case buy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ you are trying to take market up. In case call buy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ you are trying to take market up, but you have shorted call. So call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು in case ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ which is 1.1 CR which is over here. I'll show you. 25,100 ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಸರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 25,100 ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು 1.09 crores ಅರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ ಶಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೇವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬುಕ್ ದ ಲಾಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಬಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಮ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬುಕ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ perspective of option sellers. Okay, so 25,100 level is a psychological level. Again, if they defend, market will easily come down. Okay, let's see what exactly will happen. This is just an analysis. Two possible scenario. ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್, ಇಲ್ಲಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದು is next to impossible. Okay, these are the two high probability scenarios. Let's have a look at Binance coin. Okay, Binance is normal again. Solana and Ethereum ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, they are again in range. Superb. Okay, perfect. One second guys, I'm looking at crypto market. What is this possible scenario ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ. 1 second. Okay, 4-hour time frame Binance is kind of bullish. Okay, so Nifty again it is trying to sustain at this level itself. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಾಗ್ಯದ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಲಾಗ್ಯದ. It is purely sideways. We'll just wait. Okay, so again there is also a possibility that multiple times ille market sideways ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. At one point after 1 o'clock or 1:30 it can easily break out. Sudden breakout bandi it can start giving you a huge momentum. Okay, even this is also a possible scenario. Okay, I think I can initiate a trade in Binance coin right now. I'll take one quantity. This is 15 minutes time frame, and if I go to 15 minutes over here, okay, if you want to 193. Okay, Nifty is again coming down, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಝೋನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಅ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಝೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, so let's see what exactly will happen in market. Nifty is falling. Okay, one second guys, 1 second. And 18. Okay, 1042. Okay, so So bank nifty it is trying, sorry, nifty is trying to fall down. I think illondu proper on trade sigbodu ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. We will see, we will just wait for some time. Illin one downfall barbodu, let's see. So premium prices are booming, so I'll tell you exactly where to enter. Okay, so let's wait. Illin one downside fall is expected. If you see OI data again, okay, market is falling, we can go for downside trade quickly. Just keep everything ready. One second guys, 1 second, we'll wait. Okay, market is playing with emotions. So we'll wait for some more time. Okay, sudden downside ತಗೊಂಡು market sudden upside ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, this will be a next level straight forward trap ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So we don't have to get into such kind of scenario. We'll wait with proper setup and then we'll get into high probability trade. Okay, okay, so I think this is the time. This will be my entry point. Stop loss will be just 6 points. Okay, this is my entry point. Target will be around 1:3. So let's see guys, we are into trade right now. So this illin fast selling barbekilli based on premium price nodidre, this should give us a huge fall. Stop loss is around just 3 points in premium price. So let's see. Okay, so 55, 54. Okay, come on, there should be a huge momentum. So in case stop loss kottutandre happily take the stop loss. Okay, so this is our first trade. So I think this should give at least 1:3 as a target. Okay, so let's see what exactly will happen. Okay, come on, premium prices are again falling. There is a huge potential in it. Market can easily fall from this level, but we just have to wait with patience. Okay, come on, support. Still market is in a range. Let's see. This is our first trade. In case stop loss ತಗೊಂತಂದ್ರೆ this will be our first stop loss. Okay, so ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, market should fall is what is my expectation. But let's see what exactly market will offer us. And again selling ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, but it is again sustaining at this particular level. Okay, I think this will take our stop loss. a very minor stop loss around 6 points. Okay, so let's see what this trade will give us. In case stop loss ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು no worries, this is a first trade. ಇನ್ನು ಆರಾಮ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನು 2.5 hours ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ okay guys, so we took stop loss in this trade. One trade ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವತ್ತು, and again this is a stop loss. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆನ, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ವಿಲ್ ವೇಟ್. ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ 25,100 ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ shifting our direction. Okay, so flexible agi will go for an upside trade. Let's see. E level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I thought of going for downside trade. E level ಕೆಳಗೂ ಬಂತು and I also executed my plan, but plan did not work out. Okay, so now it is trying to go up. Let's see. We'll wait for a proper momentum and then go for an upside trade. Okay, plan is ready, we just have to execute. So stop loss accept ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ don't take a step behind, just accept your stop loss because that will protect your capital, and someday it will give you a huge profit as well. Okay, so now stop loss hit adunu literally I'm not at all worried, because I know when I make profit I make much more than my stop loss. I make 3x 4x than my stop loss. 1000 rupees or 500 rupees ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ I can make 2000 or 4000 rupees as a profit in return. Okay, so that is the reason I'm keeping risk to reward in my favor. So let's see what exactly will happen right now. So again this is trying to cross this 25,100, which is a psychological level. 130 level cross it ankori easily market can go for an upside momentum. Okay, so then we'll go for an upside trade. Okay, Binance trade is running in profit, so I'll show you my Binance trade. So in 15 minutes time frame I took a swing trade over here. This is my entry point. Stop loss is around 4 or 5 points. Target will be around 1:3, 18 points. Okay, so let's see how this trade will perform. I can expect more target than this, but as of now this is more than sufficient. Okay, market is trying to go up, so let's see what premium prices are doing. Suppose premium prices are also trying to go up. Let's see. So enter the premium price nega. Okay, come on. One ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ 5 minutes ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ or 15 minutes ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಐ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತೋರ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಐಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ನಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟ್ ಎವರ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ trade at right time anthed. Okay, so that is the reason I'm waiting with patience to get into a proper high probability trade. I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to tell anthed. So let's see. Okay, come on, superb momentum is there in market. So 25,100 is psychological level. If cross aitandre will be expecting a huge momentum. So that is the reason I'm trying to get into trade over here. Okay, so we candle close aitandre will get into trade, which is 30 seconds left for this candle to be closed. Okay, premium prices are also booming. Nice. Let's wait. Market is purely sideways. E type on momentum ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. E type on momentum. So ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then this will be very interesting session to do live stream. So ಬರೀ sideways ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, then it is of no use. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೂ ಏನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. that will be kind of very boring part. Okay, I hope you can understand what I'm trying to tell ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, Ethereum is falling. Liquidation in Ethereum 4,200. Okay, 200 to 233. Okay, nice. Okay, so the momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತದಿಲ್ಲಿ. Nifty is trying to give a momentum over here, but let's wait. In premium price there is no strong momentum. We will wait for a proper entry point and then get into trade. Okay, okay, premium prices are moving. 1 second guys. ಒಂದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. $110, $107. Okay, 1 second guys. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then I think I'll get into the trade once again. Okay, I need a small pullback over here. Above this level I can go for an upside trade. I'm planning what will be the risk. Just 9 points risk hacking. I can take 1:3 as a target. Okay, so let's see. So this is my next entry point, guys. Let's wait. Come on, superb. Logic behind this trade is simple. Okay, we are into trade. Logic behind this trade is very simple. 25,100 is psychological level. This level cross agi 25,113, 114 level trade madlatadalli. So call short madiroru, they will be giving up very easily. Okay, come on, superb. One go net target. Next level. Premium price 110 iddidu, it is 118 and 119 right now. Superb. This is our next entry point. One stop loss only. This is a new trade running over here. Okay, so target should be easily 1:3 as a target. It should give 1:3. 25,100, which is psychological level, E level cross agidalli, and option sellers, which those who are call short ಮಾಡಿರೋ, they should book their losses. So losses book ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ market should give us a huge momentum. Okay, that is what is happening. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ CE short ಮಾಡಿರೋ option sellers, what they did is they shorted CE thinking that market will go down, but market ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗದೇನೆ it is trying to go upside. So at this point of time they have to book their losses, so that when they book their losses, call short ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, market will go up. Okay, so let's see. Again, this should be a very fast momentum. Slow bandar, this will not be valid. Stop losses will be taken very fast. I'm expecting a fast, huge momentum. Nice, come on. Superb. At least 150 level tananu touch ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 25,100 cross ಆಗಿದೆ. 25,150 level tanana easily touch ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will give us a huge points. Okay, come on. So now what I'll do is I'm in profit of plus 10 to 8 points. I'll trail this to break even point. Okay, so ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ₹1 ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, because we are into right entry point. So market ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇವರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ will take entire 27 points or 1:3 as a target. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ will exit at cost to cost. Okay, so let's see. This is how you manage your trade in quick scalping session. Okay, scalping, this is how you manage your trade. This is how you must manage your trade, and this is how quick you must be. Scalping, you must be very fast. Andaglene you can make profits. Okay, so let's see what this trade will give us for today. Either it will be break even or target. Nam kadeyinda ₹1 ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, come on, super. Market is giving huge momentum ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next level. Okay, come on, small pullback barlatadilli. Let's see, this should be an healthy pullback. It should not be a reversal. Okay, come on. Upside momentum should be very fast, but ಇದು slow ಬರ್ಲತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ. Anytime in case slow ಬರ್ಲತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it can fall as well. But we are ready to manage our risk at the break even level. Okay. Let's see guys, again market is purely sideways as of now. Okay, come on. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಈವನ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ worried scenario right now. Okay, come on, superb. If I see it in 1 hour time frame, okay, it should go upside. Upper channel ತನಕ easily ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ market. So let's see. Market is super volatile guys. भाई साहब बस एक टारगेट दे दो यार, काफी है बस. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, come on, superb. Market is sustain aglatandre I think there are high chances that it should break out. Okay, come on, let's see, superb. I think this will take stop loss. Market heavy fast selling aglatadi ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If in case fast selling ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then easily this will make us out for market. Come on, at least each time breakout ಕೊಡ್ಲಕ್ try ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ. Super. Next level, at least this time, in case breakout ಕೊಟ್ಟತ್ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then market will give us a huge upside momentum. This is what is my expectation. Let's see. We are in this trade from past 10 minutes ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೆ. Okay, so I think this should give us a quick upside momentum. Let's see what exactly will happen. Okay, Binance is moving nicely. One zero 15735. Okay, market is trying to move now. Super, come on. At least this time ನಮ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Okay, 120 121. Nice. Come on. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಏನು ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ನಾಗ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಸೂಪರ್. 127 128 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ನೈಸ್, ಸೂಪರ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಓಕೆ, 128 ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಸೂಪರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. Okay, superb. Premium prices are running at around 126, 127. Okay, so I think we can trail this stop loss to 1:1 at least. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು will not give out the profits. Okay, total profits is around 28 points. Adra will clock around 10 to 11 points. Okay, so this is how you manage your trade. So once up one green candle form aitha ankori, within one go this will give us target, or else we will exit at this trailing SL. Okay, so this is what is my plan of action. Let's see what market will give us until. Okay, come on, superb. Come on guys, premium 130, 129 ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ superb, next level. So that is what I said. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು stop loss ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು no worries, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, will be making profit and this profit will be more than 3x 4x than this. Okay, so we lost 6 points over here. We are trying to make 28 points over here. So this is what is the risk to reward game. Okay, so let's see. Come on. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ 1:1 ಅಂತೂ it's locked. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು it is up to market. Okay, so I hope this should give us target, but let's see. Come on, few more points. Come on, superb. Next level 129, 130 is a premium price running. Come on. Next level. Target done guys, target done. So ಇಷ್ಟ ತನಕ wait ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೂ this gave us a proper target. Okay, so one trade we took stop loss over here, next trade proper na ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25,100 level in case cross ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, call short ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು they have to give up, but I expected a fast momentum over here, but slow bantu, it is totally fine. It gave us target which is around 1:3, 27 points. Now risk ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಬರೀ 9 points risk ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, which is around, we got it as a around 9 points was risk and 1:3 is a target we got. Okay, so second trade this target is done. Okay, so exactly target hit ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ market is trying to reverse. Now we don't have to literally care about market what it will do next ante, because we are done with one target. Okay, so this is what is a perfect sniper entry. So enter ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ market ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, but still it did not even come to this red zone. Okay, this is what is called a top notch analysis. So we took one trade, this was stop loss, and this gave us a target which covered this losses as well. Okay, so suppose you want 500 risk hakidre ankori, you would have made around 1500 to 2000, so still you are in profit itself. Okay, so this is what is the game of risk to reward. So let's see how even my Binance trade is going. Let's see ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ momentum ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I'll hold this till again 5 o'clock evening. ಒಂದಿನ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ನಾ 2 to 3 hours ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ. Okay, so how was this trade guys? Just let me know. ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಬೇಕೇ ನನಗೆ. ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್? ನೀವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಗೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಪಂಚ್ ದಟ್ buy button or sell button. You can't punch the trades. That is what is the ultimate goal. Confidence ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಾಗ. Even though if you take stop loss, take it with confidence. Okay, that is what will matter in market. Okay, 1040, I can expect till 1040. Okay, so exactly target hit agi, it is trying to reverse. Nice. Ekdam ಇವತ್ತು ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವೆರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ 3 to 4 days back to back, either no trades or stop loss ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, but today we got a proper target. So let's wait for fresh trade again. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So we'll wait. Once the proper trade ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, we can get into trade. Okay, till that we'll wait with patience. So morning live ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ರು, morning we would have captured this beautiful move, but again we were not live in the morning session. It is totally fine. Let's see. Binance ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಡುಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, because it is going up, going down. This is kind of making me a bit worried. Okay, let's see. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this will take my stop loss. क्यों गिर रहा है मेरा भाई, ऊपर जाओ ना. Okay, even Nifty is trying to go up, so again the fresh buyers can enter at these positions, but again I'm not interested in any of the trade right now, because we took one target. I'll wait with patience for a new trade and then we'll get into trade. Okay, so unnecessary FOMO trade ne ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Who all are live, guys? Let's have some interaction. Bore aglattu market name. Market name, we got one trade and now it is sideways. So let's have some interaction. Any doubts or something? Live stream neg mandi heng join ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಕಲಿಯೋದನ್ನ, because no one is joining. I don't know whether they are busy or they are not interested in learning market or they are not understanding my concepts or what is the reason. क्या है बताओ, मैं सब कुछ ठीक कर लूंगा. Okay, let me stand for some time. So Nifty is again still sideways over here. So Sadak will just wait. Other in case proper trade ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we just have to wait. According to me, I don't have a fresh entry point over here. Even if you see 1824, you can get it to trade, but again, I'm not interested right now. Okay. So let's see what OI data is trying to tell. We'll have a look once again. $25,150, 25,200. Okay. Nice. But again, I'm not interested in any trades as of now. Okay, so proper ilondu trade formation agittu, we got into trade. Again, at this point there is no entry of 50 moving average. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. The logic behind this trade is this psychological level 25,100 level. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ 50 ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ logic in this trade. Okay, I hope my point is clear. Personality. Okay, so Sadik, there are no trades. Again, market is a boring market right now. We just have to wait to get a proper trade. So this is how is market, this is how boring it is. So shall we close the live stream or shall we stay for some more time? Viewers, yaradarpa? I hope only Shashi Vardhan is there. Tell me, bro, what exactly we will do? We'll close the live stream or we'll stay for some more time? Okay, market is again going up. 1824 nodidre again there is a setup formed over here. Market is still going, but I'm not interested in getting into market at this point of time. Okay. So if you have any doubts or any queries regarding market, you can be in touch in my Instagram account or the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So this is my Instagram account. Easily ನೀವು Instagram reach out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I'll just type it over here. The traveling scalper. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, and if I have knowledge regarding those doubts ಎಲ್ಲ, I'm happy to clear your doubts as well. Okay. So this is my Instagram ID and the WhatsApp number is displayed on screen, so you can contact me at any time. Okay. Now in case busy ಇದ್ದಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕೆಲಸದಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ I'll just reply to a message and try to help you out. Okay. This is my Instagram handle. Come on guys, Binance coin is running in green zone again. Let's see. Opens back to green zone ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ nice. We'll see how good profit this trade will give us. See again it is sideways, like it is trying to come down, so I don't want to get into FOMO trades or unnecessary multiple number of trades. One target sikkadilli I'm more than happy, more than sufficient. So that is the reason I'm avoiding the trades as of now. Okay. So idaadmele 2 o'clock ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಂದ್ರೆ we can get into trade, but again as per my analysis trade ಸಿಗೋ chances are very less because downside no market il momentum ಕೊಟ್ಟು. If you observe over here, market has even given momentum for downside as well, and now it is trying to give you upside as well over here, e point next. So ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಾಗ you still can't expect much more trades. All anyways market 33% of the time it will be sideways. I mean market 100% naಗ 66% it will be ಏನಂತಾರೆ sideways. Sorry, 66%. Oh sorry, ನಾನೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಿ. 33% of the time market will be trending. 66% it will be sideways itself. So ಆ 33% ನ you should identify the upside market and then get into trade. So that is a very difficult task. So ಅಂತದ್ರಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್, because market is purely sideways for more than 50% of the time. So 66% is what data tells us. 66% of the time market will be sideways. There are only 33% of the time where market will be trending. So at that time you must get into trade and get out of the trade as an option buyer. Okay. So adon ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, you can easily get into trade quickly. So that is what is a concern. So sideways market nagu you have to make profits. That is a difficult task actually. ಅರೇನಾ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಡಿಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್? ಡಿಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಓ ಭಾಯ್, one stock price is around 18,000. Oh, 3,000 to 18,000 is a very big return. Next level. So if you see this, as per my opinion, I don't think so this will go for a selling trade, because purely market is in upside. Purely it is forming higher high pattern. In the upside ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. I'm not interested in going for downside trade in this Dixon Technologies. But anyways, trade is very difficult because this needs huge capital, which is 18,000 for one share. So as of now, none prakara, this will not go for downside is what I feel. In case E level ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, then I can plan for downside trade, which is around 18,038 level. E level ಕಿನ ಕೆಳಗೆ fall ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then I can plan for downside trade. As of now, it should go only for upside trades. It should go and it should give momentum for up. Higher rise forming, higher high price action form ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು as per my analysis. Okay, there are less chances that it can come down. Coming back to Banknifty chart. Okay guys, I think I'll just wind up the live stream. Live stream ne ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. It is very boring. Already we took one stop loss and we took also one target as well. So we'll just close the live stream and then we'll meet once again tomorrow, and then we'll do a very long live stream tomorrow. Okay, anyways, office ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು week off ಇರ್ತದೆ, so we can be in stream for 3 to 4 hours straight. Okay, so I think it's time to end the live stream. So I hope ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet you in next video. Until that, see you all, take care, and thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay, see you in next video. कहाँ गया मेरे दोस्त यहाँ पे?